Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Facebook cache on your mobile. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the Facebook application and you are logged into your Facebook account. Here you can see I am already in my Facebook. Now you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy, and first option settings, tap on it. Now in the search bar you can simply search for browser and then tap on it, and as you can see the first option, cookies and cache, you have to tap on this clear, and you can see this, if you clear the cookies and cache from site that you have visited on Facebook will be removed from your device. So just simply tap on this clear and your Facebook cache is clear now. Now the second method is you have to tap and hold on your Facebook icon here and then simply go for this app info. Now when you are here you can see this option storage and cache. You have to tap on it, and now you can see these options clear storage and clear cache. You have to tap on this clear cache and your Facebook cache is cleared now. So these are two ways to clear your Facebook cache. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.